Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation, episode number 72. And the topic for today is power of one strategy. Few hours back, most of us watched the World Cup football final and we were amazed with the way how Spain played this entire tournament and they deserve to win this tournament. Many of us are fans of Argentina and Messi, but all of us agree that Spain was the superior team in this entire tournament. There are many reasons why Spain won the World Cup, but one of the most important strategy they had is holding the ball. In other words, it's called ball possession. If you see, on an average, Spain possessed the ball 63.86% in the entire tournament. In the finals alone, 65% of the time, the ball was with the Spanish players. So what happened because of this? Because of this one powerful strategy, and most importantly, even the ball was possessed in the half of the opponent's area, the opponent's mind is totally on defense and they are not even able to attack. You can see this, according to me, this is the only game Argentina was not able to attack properly in the entire tournament. And most important result is Spain gave only one goal. Spain conceded only one goal against its opponents in the entire tournament. Out of the 8 match, they just gave only one goal because the opponents didn't even get a much chance to hold the ball. So what is the learning for all of us here? What is that one strategy you are extremely good? You can achieve results as good as winning a World Cup. If you're an entrepreneur, what is that one strategy you are extremely good and practice so that every customer want to work with you and competition becomes irrelevant? If you are a working professional and executive in a company, what is that one skill or one strategy you are so good the company always want to keep you and always want to promote you? This is a question to think, my friends. Have a great week. See you next week. This is Subramanian, Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.